Today I'm going to be showing you some things different, new way to do some colors. So this hair, as you can see, they have gray hair in the front. We have darker gray, more ashier. We have done highlight in the past, but today we're going to be doing some things completely different. So I'm using the Glamour 9.6 with 20 volt. Also, I'm using the Intense Finalizing Intense 8035, which is the light hazelnut blonde with 20 volt as well. The colors is here are already used. As you can see, the 9.6 is coming forwards and 8036 is coming backwards. So each one is a zigzag. I will show you a step-by-step technique as well. And when we go to the back, on the back, we have 9.6 is coming this side and 8036 is coming that. Absolutely no foil in between. So it's just coming nicely, gently. You can see the two colors is combination. And it's the same things on the side as well. Now I'm going to be showing you something completely different on the top area where we're going to be using the Velcro brush to do baby low light. Is absolutely amazing. So this is the Finalizing brush. So don't confuse this brush with clothes brush. This is especially it's been done for the back combing to make it nice low light, baby low light on the hair. It's look amazing. Now what we're going to be doing here, we're taking the hair backwards, hold it very well. So just nicely, gently hold the hair. How much you want to take it, this is up to you. Look how that nice baby low light. Sometimes you can create this with the hair dryer as well, but this way is much quicker. So you hold this hair. After you hold that hair, you take the rest of the hair, whatever the color you're going to be using, use that color. 9.6, here we go, 9.6. So we're using the 9.6. After we use the 9.6, we go in straight away from the roots area. Good morning, thank you very much. And we go in from roots to the mid lengths. Yes, we're doing it now. It start taking, is looking great. And after that, what we're going to be doing to apply this one down, and we're going to put in one single foil. If you have a paper foil, use the paper foil. You can use the strike foil paper as well. Finalizing, they have strike foil paper. Also Finalizing, they have a gelatin like a plastic, really good. We don't have now in UK. So I'm going to be using the 8035 on this fine hair. Is going to give that nice baby low light in the hair. After we've done that, just take it. Now we're going to go for the second one. You're not using the color on here. Don't use any color on this brush. So this is just for the back combing to give nice baby low light. So again, divide this hair to two. Hold it nice and tight. Comb it nicely first. Make sure. And then, how easy is that? Just hold it like this. Bring it back and like that. And all this baby hair is just come. It's absolutely easy as anything. Look, it's like a piece of cake. So just holding this, all this hair, and the rest of the hair, bring it down with 9.6, and you're holding it nice, down, and then you're bringing all this one down. There we go. After that, what you're doing, leaving this one down, and you put in one foil underneath it, and then you put this hair and you go over it with 8035. And now the hair is look done. So now the last one I'm going. Do you want to put inside anything on here? You can. If I don't want to put anything, straight away 9036, and that is perfect. So this is how we done this color. Now, if you have any question, please ask me. This Velcro, you should never touch any color to it because it's a paper based inside. It will damage the paper. So you don't wash it. You don't do this only on dry hair. You back combing it. You give that baby low light. So the full result is coming later. I will show you the full result, and then it's going to look beautiful. Have you got any question? So it's been a long time. I know sometimes you want to know the technique, the colors, different things. guys, the technique, the times is going forward, the technology is changing. We need new technique, we need new education, we need different way. So can we make beautiful color with fastest result? Absolutely, this is possible. Yeah, Billy's here. Billy's speaking. So, my aim as a teacher, educator, I always like to give you the best color result with faster technique, but the result more effective. So this is the aim. If you want to know anything like that, follow me on the Facebook, on Instagram, on YouTube, and also on TikTok. So I do put a lot of videos, a lot of things about education, and everything is free. You will learn from it. Absolutely, you will learn maximum. So thank you very much for watching. Thanks for your time. I appreciate for your time. Always is a pleasure to talking to you guys. And if you leave me comment, if for any reasons, if you like to more, if you need more education, I do teach courses as well, one-to-one. If you want to know more about the haircuts, different techniques, styling the hair, blow drying, hair up, bleach, balayage, ombre, barbering, anything. My aim always to teach people the fastest way. So the courses always is the fastest way. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.